What are spectrum disorders? It's a question that has puzzled many, from healthcare professionals to the general public. Spectrum disorders at their core are a cluster of conditions that share similar features, symptoms, or traits. These encompass a wide range of disorders, from autism to bipolar disorder, and can manifest in myriad ways across different individuals. The term spectrum is employed here for a very specific reason. It illustrates the vast diversity and variability of these disorders. Imagine a spectrum as a rainbow, each color representing a different symptom or trait. Some individuals might have a heavy concentration of one color, indicating a prevalence of particular symptoms, while others could display a more evenly distributed palette, signifying a broad range of traits. The severity and combination of symptoms can vary widely from person to person, hence the term spectrum. Spectrum disorders can be a mystery, but with knowledge, we can begin to understand and manage these conditions. Now that we know what spectrum disorders are, let's dive into the causes and symptoms. Unraveling the causes of spectrum disorders can be like trying to solve a complex puzzle. The truth is, the causes of many spectrum disorders are often unknown or unclear. However, a combination of genetics, environmental factors, and brain abnormalities may play a significant role. For instance, some research suggests that certain genetic mutations could make an individual more susceptible to developing a spectrum disorder. As we navigate the maze of spectrum disorders, it's important to note that the symptoms can be as diverse as the disorders themselves. For Autism Spectrum Disorder, or ASD, symptoms may include difficulties with social interaction, repetitive behaviors, and challenges with communication. These symptoms are often noticeable in the early developmental stages of a child's life. On the other hand, bipolar spectrum disorder presents differently. Individuals with this disorder experience extreme mood swings, which can range from periods of excessive energy, known as mania, to periods of low energy or depression. These symptoms can significantly impact an individual's daily life, making routine tasks challenging. While it's crucial to remember that each case is unique, these common symptoms provide a roadmap for healthcare professionals to recognize and diagnose these conditions. Understanding the causes and symptoms of spectrum disorders can help us to recognize and diagnose these conditions. Recognizing spectrum disorders is just the first step. But how are these conditions treated and managed? The answer lies in a variety of treatment options tailored to each individual's unique needs. A key component is often behavioral therapy, which can help individuals develop social skills, manage challenging behaviors, and improve communication. Medications, too, play a role. While they can't cure spectrum disorders, they can help manage symptoms such as anxiety or attention difficulties. It's important to remember, though, that every person is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. Also, educational support is crucial. Teachers and school administrators can provide accommodations and modifications to help students succeed. But perhaps the most important factor in treatment and management is the development of an individualized treatment plan. This plan, created by a team of healthcare professionals, takes into account the person's strengths and challenges, supporting them in their journey towards a fulfilling life. With the right support and treatment, individuals with spectrum disorders can lead fulfilling lives. So, we've learned quite a lot about spectrum disorders, haven't we? We've unraveled the mystery behind them, understood their potential causes and symptoms, and explored the various treatment options. These disorders are not just a medical condition, but a part of the unique fabric that makes up an individual. Knowledge is power, and in this case, the power to positively impact lives. Remember, understanding spectrum disorders is crucial for effective diagnosis and treatment, and with understanding comes the opportunity to enhance the lives of those affected.